Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make quail eggs for your Essa. Start by washing eggs and inspecting shells for cracks, then set a small pot of water to a gentle simmer, add a splash of vinegar to help with peeling, and have an ice bath ready for rapid cooling to stop cooking and firm whites for easy handling. Choose a cooking method based on texture you prefer: soft, hard, or fried. For soft-boiled eggs, carefully lower eggs into simmering water for 2 minutes, then plunge into ice water. For hard-boiled, simmer 4 minutes before cooling. To fry, crack eggs into a warm buttered pan and cook on low until whites set, then season lightly before serving to bring out delicate flavors. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings hands-free timers and music to your kitchen, making cooking quail eggs easier and more fun, and it fits neatly on a small counter or shelf. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After cooling in an ice bath, tap and roll each egg gently to crack the shell evenly. Peel under a stream of cool water to ease membrane removal and reveal smooth whites. Slice eggs in halves for salads or place whole on toast or skewers for snacks. Season with salt, pepper, or a drizzle of soy for umami. Store leftovers covered in the fridge for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.